I'm very excited to show you another use for our mezzaluna. We're going to make a super classic Italian condiment called Gremolata. Now, Gremolata by itself is a really easy recipe. There's only 3 ingredients to it. It's parsley, lemon zest, and a little bit of garlic. Put these 3 things together, come and kind of like the Beatles, they're so much more powerful together than they are separate. So let's make it. So here in my mezzaluna, I have about 3/4 of a bunch of parsley. On top of that, I'm going to add the zest of 1 lemon. Now here I have some garlic. I just gave it a real rough chop. At this point, all we have to do is use our mezzaluna and start cutting it together. This is super effective because the 3 ingredients themselves are so powerful. We get a real punch of freshness from the parsley. We get the brightness from the lemon zest. And of course, there's that real powerful punch that we get from the garlic. Now, if this kind of recipe works for you, one of the other things I like to make with my mezzaluna is taking rosemary and garlic and then working that into like red potatoes that I might be boiling or baking. I do this with that, and I just pour it over the top of my roasted red potatoes, and I get great, great flavor. Now, we're about the consistency that I want. So, we're just about done. Now, I want to season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. So, a little bit of crushed sea salt, a little bit of pepper. As I was saying, this is a super, super versatile topping. It can take any kind of bland dish and give it a whole new life. So for this coming holiday season, when Thanksgiving rolls around, I'm going to take my carrots, I'm going to top it with a little bit of Gremolata. It's going to take these ordinary carrots, take the flavor to a whole new level. So as you can see, Gremolata, super easy to make, packs a powerful punch to any dish. I hope you use your mezzaluna, you try this at home, and it makes your holiday dishes even better.